In this video, we will go over the My Watchlist feature of the Bourse Panel platform. Using My Watchlist feature, you can quickly add stocks from the sector top picks and conveniently monitor them. The platform lets you create multiple watchlists and add any number of stocks to a list. You can access My Watchlist from the left toolbar. If it's the first time you are accessing the watchlist, you will see an empty drop-down list. To create your first watchlist, you can head to the sector top picks. From here, you can select any sector and the platform will show you the top performing stocks along with the blue button to add the stocks to a market watchlist. Once you click on Add to Watchlist button, you can enter the name of your first watchlist. The platform will then create the watchlist and add the stock to it. Once again, you can add any number of stocks to a watchlist and also create multiple watchlists. For example, to add a particular stock to a new watchlist, simply click on the blue button, and instead of selecting an existing watchlist, you can create a new watchlist and the stock will be added to that list. Once you have added the desired stocks to the watchlist, you can access it from the My Watchlist menu. From here, you can delete the watchlist or remove any stocks. You can also set a default watchlist for your account. To do that, you can head the settings menu and change the default list for your selected country to any custom created list. Let's now go through the watchlist and see the information platform is providing about the stocks. From the Overview tab, you can see all the stocks in your watchlist. The tab shows the general information of the stocks, including their price ranges up to 1 year, the added date, the price at which the stock is added, price changes, and the score of the stocks. From these two icons, you can remove any stock from the watchlist. From the Health and Score tab, you can review various scores of each stock in the watchlist. These scores are calculated using our high-end scoring method, and they will assist you in evaluating the performance of the stocks. The gray color indicates the stock health is below average. The light green color indicates the stock health is above average, while the dark green color indicates the stock health is strong. Let me explain the scoring levels in a bit more detail. Each scoring level on the Bourse Panel platform is calculated based on multiple factors, and each of these factors has its weight that is used while calculating the final score. For example, the value score is calculated using different company financials such as margin of safety, forward earnings per share, returns on equity, return on asset, and profit margins. Again, each financial number has its weight in the final score calculation. Similarly, the technical score includes several technical indicators such as Bollinger Bands, moving averages, relative strength index, and so on. In the technical score, each technical indicator has its weight that is taken to calculate the final technical score. Likewise, the total score is calculated using all individually calculated scores, and each score has its weight in the total score. From the Entry Levels tab, you can see each share with its entry levels, take profit, investment percentage, expected payoff percentage, and expected days to achieve the target. You can see some of the shares have more than one entry level. It is because the investment allocated for each stock is distributed with complete risk management, and for that, the platform may distribute the investment across more than one entry levels. While designing the portfolio, it's a possibility that the platform has selected stocks and also allocated the investment, but the entry levels are not immediately available. It happens because the stock fits the selection criteria, however, the entry levels are not ideal at the moment and will be available shortly. Let's now move on to the Performance tab. Using this tab, you can review how all the stocks in your watchlist have performed over the last 1 year. You can see quarterly, monthly, and weekly performances. From the Key Ratios tab, you can review all the key ratios of the stocks in your portfolio. From the Financial tab, you can review all the financial information of the stocks in your watch list. From the Technical tab, you can see what all the technical indicators are telling about the given stocks in your watch list. Finally, from the last tab, you can see the support and resistance level of the stocks in your watch list. The My Watchlist feature allows you to easily monitor and track the performance of the stocks. It lets you create multiple watch lists on which you can add stocks either from different sectors or based on your particular interest. The watch list comes in really handy. It saves you time and also helps you to conveniently make the investment decisions.